Hi friends, how are you? So today morning I came across some beautiful thoughts and I just thought that why not I capture it. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm sharing it to you. Okay, second innings of life should be yours. That is doing what you really wanted to do, not to get into the same old misery even though it is giving you some solace. Friends, you must have already heard the research conducted on 100 super successful millionaires, and they were asked simple questions saying that what is that you repent, and the toppest priority point of view, what is that you repent a lot in your life. And almost all of them, they said what they really wanted to do in their life, they have not done it, and that is remaining, and they were in the fag end of their life. Friends, guess what? Now they will be going along with that feelings only. Now it's a question of having that clarity at this juncture. Now let me just clear some confusion here, because whoever is listening to this video can be a young person or the old age person. So what I'm trying to say here is your second innings can start at any age of your life. Only it's a question of, do you have that fire in your belly to ask and try to find that way. So you must have already heard that famous dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan, right? शिद्दत से मांगो तो पूरी कायनात आपके लिए जुड़ जाती है. I'm not able to recollect the exact wordings. Otherwise, I would have been also a Shah Rukh Khan, right? So I know what you're, I know what you really understood by this means, right? So it's a question of, do you have that kind of a fear, fire in your belly, so that you can really search that? And guess what? You will find ways. With a simple step, you can start a second innings without any risk, and the real magic is really waiting for you in your life. Thank you for listening. All the best.